All right, I'm trying something ambitious. I'm going to try and get. You can see I'm all sweaty. I'm going to try and get dust retrieval to the mill. I'm going to do it in one of the big pipes, and I'm going to try and get it all the way across. We'll see if I can do it. Gasket goes there. Time to bring up the motor assembly. I'm not even sure I'll be able to get it up and on this. We'll see. I won't know until I'm up there. Oh, that's what fell. Got it. Still not positive this is going to work. We'll see. That went better than I thought it would. So, I got bumps all over my head. So, I have added a 4-inch pipe that comes up over the top and comes down to my mill, down to the coolest thing ever, which is a whole bunch of flexible lock line. Look at this. It's like 3-inch diameter lock line. 3 inches? Hold on. Yes, 3-inch diameter lock line. And I'm going to try it here. I'm going to drill some holes and watch that dust go right in. That's the goal. This new influx of tools that is happening is it's just a maturation, shall we say. Let's see here. Oh, that's aluminum. Nothing sticks to that. Hang on. Go. Well, there she is. My brand new Vortex dust system. We'll include a link to the specific dust system. It is in the description. It sucks way harder. It sucks much better. It sucks, and I mean that as the highest possible compliment. In fact, when I first turned it on, it lifted that whole barrel. It's spectacular. So, I'm excited about the addition into the studio. The mill. I just need to work out a way to block off that air source at the mill, which is probably just a big old cork made out of foam. But we got some much better dust retrieval now. Vastly better than this one, which was great for a long time. And I'm passing this one on to another maker. It'll have a whole nother happy life, to be clear. But I'm glad to have this one now. It sucks at the mill, it sucks at the table saw, and it sucks down here at my disc sander. Yeah, I'm really getting the most meat out of that joke as I can. Thank you folks for joining me today for this one-day shop infrastructure improvement. There will be a few more of these because we've got some stuff coming in. Yeah, I'm trying to make a healthier shop, trying to make yeah, you know how it goes. It's an ongoing process. Thanks everyone for joining me today. I'll see you next time.